Hello friends, welcome to our class. In the previous part we have seen Androclus and the lion part first. What we have seen in the part first, let's see. बघूया. In the first paragraph what we have seen that how was the Androclus. Androclus was the slave. He served his master. His master actually was very cruel, so he did not like his heartless master. In the second paragraph, how his masters. In third paragraph, Androclus want to leave his masters, but he was not a cowherd, but he obeyed the commands of his masters. So how they behave, how the masters behave in the past years, their slaves, they, after that we have seen that Androclus had run away when he get chance, and he just faced with the lion, and the lion, when he saw in the forest, he was completely injured, and he helped the lion by pull out the thorn his from injured paws. Okay, today we are going to see next paragraph here. Androclus remained with the lion till it could walk again. Let's see what had Androclus done. Androclus pulled out the thorn from his injured paws. Okay, and then he take care of his paws. He just tearing his own piece of clothing and bound up the lion's injured paw. Bound up, त्याने काय केलं, बाउंड अप केलं, गुंडाळलं. And Androclus remained with the lion till it could walk again. आता आपण पाहतोय की एखादा आपला जखमी पाय झाला असेल तर लगेच ताबडतोब आपल्याला चालता येणार नाही, त्याची काळजी घ्यावी लागते. डे बाय डे वी हॅव टू ड्रेस अप, आपल्याला त्याची काय करावं लागते, ड्रेसिंग करावं लागते, है की नाही. सेम लाईक दॅट द Androclus टेक केअर ऑफ द लॉयन अँड ही take care, he remained till with the lion when it could walk again. त्याला पुन्हा चालता येईल, जोपर्यंत त्याला चालता येत नव्हतं तोपर्यंत ही त्याच्यासोबतच होता. He wound hunt in the forest and share his food with the helpless beast. Again what he helped, he hunt in the forest, he go to the hunt in the forest and share his food. What he get, share with this helpless beast. तो जो असहाय्य प्राणी होता, म्हणजे कोण, the lion. He could not hunt. तो हंट करू शकत होता का? No. So he give to the food that helpless beast. Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound. जी लायनची जखम होती, वाउंड्स होती, त्याला तो काय करायचा, एव्हरी डे ड्रेस करायचा. Soon the lion was able to move about. जसं जसं lion soon able to move about. Many times he followed Androclus where he went. The lions himself also followed the Androclus. He behave like his friend. Okay. In the meanwhile, Androclus' master had complained to the authorities. Where here is the second side. Where is the first side? In the city. In that city, in the meanwhile, Androclus' master had complained. Androclus' master had complained to the authorities that his slave Androclus had run away. Actually, it is not the right to the slave that he ran away from their master. So he complained to the authorities. Soldiers were sent in all directions to capture the Androclus. Now the authorities had sent the soldiers to capture the Androclus. Get it from where he are. Okay. Then they searched for him high, low, but he could not find him. At last they came to the forest where Androclus lived. At last he came to the forest. And actually in the forest Androclus was lived. Okay. It so happened that Androclus had gone out along that day while the lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldier. Actually both of them, where Androclus and the lion, he rested near the cave and both of them fell into the hands of the soldier. दोन्ही त्यांच्या सोल्जरच्या हाताला लागले. One is the Androclus, other is the lion. The soldiers took them back to the city and they put Androclus in the chains in a prison. They chains in the prison. त्यांनी तुरुंगात त्याला टाकलं. The lion was caged. त्याला जाळात, पिंजऱ्यात त्याला टाकलं लॉयनला. In those days, people who are found it to be guilty of serious crime. In the past days, in those days, त्या दिवसामध्ये काय होतं, people were guilty for a serious crime were fed to the wild beasts. त्यांना काय करायचं, भोजन म्हणून एका जंगली प्राण्याचं भोजन म्हणून त्यांना टाकलं जायचं. कोणाला? हू डिड द गिल्टी ऑफ द सिरियस क्राईम केलं. ॲज अ पनिशमेंट रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम वन्स मास्टर वॉज अ व्हेरी सिरियस क्राईम. आता ॲक्च्युली रनिंग अवे व्हेरी सिरियस क्राईम. Therefore, Androclus too was to be thrown to the wild beasts. And actually, now Androclus was to be through the wild beasts. On the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. The crowds cheered loudly. The trumpeters blew the trumpet. Androclus brought into the arena. His chains were unbound, were felt weak and dismayed. He was uncertain that this was the last day of his life. See the condition of Androclus. Where the trumpet, जे वाजवणारे होते ते trumpeters, they blew the trumpet. Androclus brought into the arena, त्याला धरून आणलं त्या एरियानामध्ये. His chains were unbound, त्याचे चेन्स जे होते बांधले ते अनबाउंड केले, खोलून टाकले. And he felt weak, dismayed, अशक्त झाला होता, तो असहाय्य झाला होता. At the opposite end, दुसऱ्या बाजूला, a gate was raised and the ferocious lion was released into the arena. And तिथं तो ferocious means very wild, dangerous, fierce, असा खतरनाक असलेला लॉयन त्यातून सोडला. It had been kept hungry to make it more ferocious. आणि त्या लॉयनला त्यांनी काय केलं होतं? उपाशी ठेवलं होतं की आणखीन तो काय हो, डेंजर हो, ferocious व्हावं. Androclus was filled with the fear but put up the brave front. The lion saw the Androclus and rushed towards him. त्यांनी जसं पाहिलं Androclus, when he see the Androclus, he had rushed towards him and bounding and roaring, जोरजोराने ओरडू लागला. Now he got the feast. त्याला feast मेजवानी सापडली होती ना. Many of the days he was hungry. तो खूप दिवसापासून उपाशी होता. आणि लॉयनला आता काय केलं? मेजवानी सापडली. तो लगेच जोरानं असं त्याच्याकडे धावू लागला. बट सडनली इट स्टॉप्ड इन इट्स ट्रॅक. पण जसं तो जोरान धावू लागला, सडनली इट स्टॉप्ड इन इट्स ट्रॅक. वाय? इट मूव्ड स्लोली फॉरवर्ड. हळूहळू तो पुढे चालवला. इट्स रेज सीम्ड टू हॅव मेल्टेड. त्याचा जो राग होता, रेज होता, जो रोर होता, तो हळूहळू त्याचा वितळू लागला होता. Androclus saw these two. Each friend recognized each other. Actually, the lion who was very ferocious is none other than his friend lion in the forest. तो कोण होता? फ्रेंड होता, मित्र होता. Who helped the lion in the forest. ज्यांनी त्याला काय केली? मदत केली होती फॉरेस्टमध्ये. To everyone's amazement, the lion bounded towards Androclus again, but when it reached him, जसा तो त्याच्या जवळ पोहोचला, इट बिगॅन टू पूर अँड रब इट्स नोज अगेन्स्ट हिम. बघा, पुर करू लागला तो अँड रब, त्यांनी त्याचे नाक घासू लागला अगेन्स्ट द अँड्रोक्लस. लॉयन, द किंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, वॉज रबिंग हिज नोज अगेन्स्ट द लॉयन. लॉयनच्या समोर तो अँड्रोक्लसच्या समोर तो आता काय करत होता? नाक घासत होता. अँड्रोक्लस जस्ट हग्ड द लॉयन अँड ही वेप्ट द relief and the joy. The audience, including the emperor, watched this tender sight in great wonder. People began to cheer Androclus and asked for his release. The emperor asked Androclus to explain the lion's strange behavior. Baga, everyone was amazed. People could not believe the lion. He began to rub against the nose. Began to rub its nose against the Androclus. Everyone was amazed. So the emperor asked why the lion's strange behavior, why he did it. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by the gratitude and friendship between the man and the wild beast. जंगली प्राणी आहे तो, wild beast आहे. He ordered that Androclus should be set free and would no longer be a slave. त्यांनी ऑर्डर केली, अँड्रोक्लसनं काय केलं? ऑर्डर टू दॅट अँड्रोक्लस शुड बी फ्री, त्याने मुक्त करा. अँड ही वुड नॉट बी नो लॉंगर बी स्लेव, आता तो गुलाम नाही आहे. वेन अँड द एम्परर आस्क्ड द अँड्रोक्लस what other reward he could like. Androclus relieved that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. मग तिने विचारलं what other reward would be like Androclus. बघा, तिला विचारलं तुला काय पाहिजे Androclus, सांग. पण तो स्वतः म्हणाला आय डोंट वॉन्ट एनिथिंग फॉर हिमसेल्फ, माझ्या स्वतःसाठी नकोय काही. बट ही वॉन्टेड टू द लॉयन सेट फ्री. द टू फ्रेंड्स वेंट बॅक टू द फॉरेस्ट टू लिव्ह अ फ्री लाईफ. ओके, गॉट इट. Solve this English workshop. Here is the pages, here is the following story, give here number ABCD, here is the antonyms. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you.